Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Okay, this is for dummies. Only, okay. We got a shaft and two shafts, two nuts. Well, a bolt. Anyway, you're going to take your shaft in, should go in and lever up. You know, gotta lever up, wear protection. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put my shaft in, and always, if it doesn't go in, well, lever up. And make sure you're protected. And we're going to put the nut and the bolt together, if you'll go on. And I hope you enjoy this. Okay, I'm currently screwing a nut onto the shaft. And well, let's just say she's fine and dandy. And spare. Okay. Or anybody that doesn't know how to do this, don't go hiring a plumber. Watch this video. You're hiring a plumber, you're a dummy. Did you get it? Got another shaft, I got another nut. That shaft goes in and you gotta lever her up if she doesn't go in alright. Make sure you wear protection again. You may be sitting crooked. You also want to clean your doggone surface area so you don't get all that dirty and nasty stuff all over you. So you want to make sure your toilet's clean. As alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can put my driver in here. And I'm going to go and sink her down tight and bury her down in there. She got to make sure she's buried, baby. Oh yeah, I'm going to make sure she's buried in there and tight. Alright, make your wife happy. And get you a nice padded toilet seat. This is what this is. Toss your driver across the house. Anyway, that's a nice padded toilet seat. It's nice and comfy. Anyway, you want to take your locks, and that is unlocked. You'll flip it over. Before you do that, you want to take your goddamn locks, ram them over. Hey, your wife's happy. She ain't got to sit on a bare toilet seat. Yeah, it's nothing but a flat-hearted piece of crap. That sucker will make your wife happy every single day. Y'all enjoy. Like, share, subscribe as always. Peace.